Hey guys, welcome to Lognuts. Today I'll be showing you how to reset your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to reset your iPhone, first open up the settings of your iPhone, and from over here guys, you'll be required to scroll down until you can find the general option available for us. Tap on the general, and now from over here on the general section of the settings of your iPhone, scroll down until you can find the transfer or reset iPhone button available for us. Tap on the transfer or reset iPhone, and over here guys, you can choose either to reset your iPhone or erase all contents and settings of your iPhone. Just to reset it, tap on it. If you want to erase all of your content and settings, go through the erase all contents and settings, but we're just resetting our iPhone, so let's tap on reset and reset all settings. And then you'll be required to enter your passcode of your iPhone guys. Enter your passcode, and after that your account or your iPhone will be resetted. And then guys, this is how you reset your iPhone on. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.